Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2020. Can you say it with me? Today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2020. Good morning, boys and girls. Hope everybody said good morning, Mrs. Rivera. Today is going to be 54 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's going to be a little warmer than yesterday, but still super chilly. So get outside in your jackets and have some fun. All right, today is the 156th day of school. We have 100 plus 50 plus 6. We have 100 here, 5 10s, and 6 1s. Today we'll do these in English. We've got Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. January, February, March, and April, May, and June, and July, and August. September, October, November, December, 12 months in a year. All right, let's take a look at our calendar piece for today. Okay, our calendar piece says we started at 56. We're gonna start at 56 today. Okay, and it lets us know that yesterday we solved our last riddle and we got to 56. We're gonna start at 56, and it's got 3 arrows pointing upwards. So if I'm hopping up, coming back up this way up the number grid, I know I'm going 10s. So I'm at 56 minus 10, minus 10, minus 10. Or I can say 56 minus 30. So if I'm at 56 and I'm going back 30, here I am at 56, 10, 20, 30, you are right. Our end number for today is 26. The one thing I am noticing here, as we're going along here, it looks like there might be some symmetry involved. So our end today was 26. There might be some symmetry involved, and I know some of you are thinking, what does she mean? And if you take a close look there, right? There's orange on both sides, there's yellow on both sides. I wonder if there might be some symmetry involved. Maybe. We'll see as we go through, right? Okay, let's take a look at our money for today. All right, we have our penny worth 1 cent. Who's on the head side? We haven't talked about that in a while. You're right, Abraham Lincoln. We have our nickel worth 5 cents. Who's on the head side? Good job, Thomas Jefferson. Dime, 10 cents. You're right, FDR, Franklin Delano Roosevelt's on the head side. And quarter. You're right, George Washington is on the head side. All right. While we're on our money, let's take a look, right? Quarter collection. Our first day we had a quarter. Our second day we had 2 quarters. Now today we have 3 quarters. 25, 50, 75. There's our rhyme. We're at 75. I write 75 with a cent sign. And then $0, decimal point 75, because we have $0, but 75 cents. Okay, nice job. All right, moving on. We're going to do just a couple things with numbers and finish with our clocks. If I gave you a little puzzle that looked like this, and I said to you, can you tell me what are in the empty boxes, right? I would look at my number grid and I would say, what is on each side of 55? What's on each side of 55? You got it. I would look right there and I would say, on this side of 55, I have 54. On that side of 55, I have 56. Now I have to think about the puzzle here. 45, 55. You are right. I would have 65 down here, and that would solve that puzzle. When I'm going down by 10s. When I'm going to my right, I'm going up by 1. If I'm going back this way, I'm going back by 1. All right, another puzzle for you. All right, what do you think, friends? 44. Oh, I heard somebody say this is 45. Just like our last one, but we weren't finding that number. We have 55, right? What's next over here? 56. And we can check and see, are we right? If we're right, it should say 56, then 66. Now, 45, 55. Again, what's that number there? 65. So now we can go back and double check. 44, 45, 54, 55, 56. Looks right. 64, 65, 66. And let's check going down. 45, 55, 65. Looks good to me. All right, we're going to get a little harder here. A little harder. All right, let's take a look here. Got some interesting pieces of the puzzle. All right, so we have 67, 77. What's up right here? You are right. 87. Oops. 87. Normally I'm really good at writing upside down. All right, 87. Now, let's see. 87. What's next? Oh, I heard somebody say 88. 87, 88. What goes in this box? Oh, you are so right. 89. Now we can double check, make sure. 67, 77, 87. We have 78, 88. Right? 89, 90. Very good. All right, last one. Last one here. We have 11 here. We have 21 here. What do you think's right here? Oh, I heard somebody say 22. That was a quick one for you. 22. Okay, now what's right here? You are right. Ended with an easy one, right? 23. Very good. All right. The next thing I'd like to do with you this morning is compare some numbers. All right, and we're going to start with looking at the signs, right? Mouth is open this way when the greater number is over on this side, and I say this number is greater than, right? If the mouth is going this way, the greater number is over here, the lesser number is over here, and I say this number is less than this number. If I have an equal sign, then I am saying that these two numbers are equal. So we're going to start out with 94 and 49. What do you think, friends? 94 and 49. Okay, do I want to put an equal sign in here? Do I want to put a greater than sign or a less than sign? Oh, I heard some of you screaming at your computer. You are absolutely right. 94 is greater than 49. It is greater than. All right, my next two numbers. I have 26 and 54. Is 26 greater than 54? Or is 26 less than 54? What do you think? You are absolutely right. 26 is less than 54. Okay. Next numbers. I have 25 and 25. I have a quarter and a quarter. I have 25 here and I have 25 here. You have a quarter, I have a quarter. Oh, I know you're laughing, right? Okay, right here in the middle we have an equal sign. The number 25 is equal to 25. Very good. Okay, one more left. Whoops, whoop, whoop. Oh, wipe out. Okay, one last one. I have the number 71 and the number 32. 71, 32. Where am I putting my signs, friends? Are you going to say 71 is greater than or 71 is less than 32 or equal to? Okay, you are absolutely right. 71 is greater than 32, right? Awesome. All right, as I said, we're going to end on time, right? If I can get my clock. We're going to end with time here today, and today's practice is going to be with time. We're gonna do another day with number grid puzzles and another day with greater than and less than, and we'll do some practice with that, but I'd like to practice with some time here. Now, minute hand's up here at the 12. When this long hand, minute hand is up at the 12, it is an O clock, right? So here's my hour hand. My hour hand's at the 9, so I know it is 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock, right? Okay, how about right here? Oh, I heard you say 6 o'clock. You're absolutely right. What time is it? 4 o'clock. Very good. Now, if this long hand, this minute hand's not at the 12 anymore, it's down at the 6, right? Cut that pie in half. It is half past. Okay? Now my hour hand is between the 7 and the 8. So it is half past 7. I say it is 7:30. It is half past 10. I say it is 10:30. It is half past 2. I say it is 2:30. It is half past 4. I say it is 4:30. Okay, now let's take a look at this. We're going to start up here at 12. 12 o'clock, right? Comes down here. What time is it? You're right, 12:30. What time is it? 1 o'clock. What time is it? 1:30, very good. 2 o'clock. There's where it always slips. Okay, what time is it? 2:30. What time is it? 3 o'clock. What is it? 3:30. 4 o'clock. Okay, you get the hang of it, right? Okay, good luck on your time practice. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in Fundations.